If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To ensure QuickBooks is up to date, select Help, Update QuickBooks Desktop from the menu bar. QuickBooks can either manually or automatically search for updates. To change that setting in the Update QuickBooks Desktop screen, click the Options tab. Then select Yes or No to the Automatic Update option to turn the feature on or off. If it is turned off, you have to connect to the Internet and then click the Update Now button that appears on the Overview tab to download the updates manually. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.